Breaking news on the Bimbo and IVD case. The Lagos State government, through the Directorate of the Public Prosecution (DPP), has filed a case of involuntary manslaughter against Lagos-based auto dealer Ikechukwu Ogbonna, popularly known as IVD, before the High Court of Lagos in Ikeja over the death of his wife, Bimbo. Late Bimbo died in a fire incident at their residence in Lekki area of the state in October 2022. The DPP is accusing the auto dealer of involuntary manslaughter, which is contrary to Section 229 of the Criminal Law of Lagos. Ikechukwu pleaded not guilty to the charges, and the trial has commenced before Justice Modukbe Nicole Clay. DSP Futuga Olatunji, who was led in evidence by counsel of the Lagos State government, confirmed that the late Abimbola had filed a petition against her husband before her demise. According to the DSP Olatunji, the AIG gave a directive to effect the AIG gave a directive to effect the arrest of the defendant Ikechukwu for attempted murder, threat to life, domestic violence, and conduct likely to cause the breach of peace. When we learned that the matter has reported at the Ajah police station, a signal was sent that both the case file and the suspect be transferred to the zonal headquarters. My team obtained a statement from Abimbola's mother because she, Abimbola, was not in the right state of health. However, 2 days later, and while waiting for the case file alongside the suspect to be brought to Zone 2, another information came that Abimbola had died. At that point, the AIG ordered that the matter should be transferred to the State Criminal Investigation Department (SCID) (PANTI) for proper investigation. So, if you remember the case of Bimbo IVD that led to Blessing CEO doing her ridiculous movie, to her arrest and detention and all of that. So this case has been going on for a while, and the internet was divided when this whole thing came out because a lot of videos, photos, footages, people talking about how they knew that this couple had a very violent relationship. Some persons were saying that the IVD was guilty. Some persons were saying no, the Bimbo actually did this on herself. But from what the court is saying, who knows, more evidence would have been gathered if actually they're demanding for the arrest of IVD right now. So we will see what the final saying will be in court when they have to present all the evidence in front of the judge, and let's see what is going to happen. But he's going, I think, for a lesser charges. I think what a lot of people wanted them to charge him with was first degree murder, because people felt like he was the one that unlived his wife, that she didn't do what happened to herself, but he did it. But let's see. This is manslaughter, so this is a lesser charge compared to first degree murder, and the penalty and the punishment is actually lesser than first degree murder in Nigeria. And different countries, different states have different penalties for things like this. So let's see what the Lagos state penalty will be for manslaughter, as it is said, involuntary manslaughter. Okay, so let's see what the penalty will be. We will keep following the story up until the end, and I just hope a whole lot of people learn from this. When you're in a marriage and it's becoming too toxic and you see that this might lead to your doom, it is just better you take a bow, and if you feel like you will face the shame of people mocking, laughing at you, feeling like you couldn't be in a home, you couldn't hold a home together, it is better that you are alive and people are laughing and mocking you than you're not here, and most of these people are people that have kids that really needs them to be alive here and take care of them, and someday when they are grown, be able to walk them down the aisle when they're settling down. Also, there's so many things that your children need you for as a parent, so it is just not worth it to be in that toxic relationship when you know that it is someday going to claim your life. And continue to rest on Bimbola. And if IVD is really guilty of something, then let's justice prevail, and let's get to see how all of this will play out. I hope they give us more information as the court case commences or after finalization. I hope we get to hear more and get to know what the punishment is, or is he facing life in prison or few years. We will get to know, but we will keep you updated as the story unfolds.